Hey, so I had got tired of wearing that straight lace wig, so I decided to try on this Kinky curly 20-inch. It really doesn't look like a 20-inch lace front wig. It's in the color 1B27. As you can see, that lace is pretty darn light. So I decided to try this even lace glue adhesive in the red can. I normally use the black can, and I really do like this red can better than the black can. I think I like it better because I combine it with the even lace tint melt, and the hole was so strong, like it was unbelievable. You'll see it later on in this video. But anyway, as you know, I don't lay my lace wigs like everybody else does on YouTube. I like for it to look a little bit more natural. I don't like I like it sometimes, but sometimes I don't. I don't like where the baby hairs are just like laid and all, together. To me, it looks more natural when it's somewhat like this. But anyway, so I'm taking this lace tint melt. As you can see, I was scared that it was going to spray everywhere, but it didn't. It looks kind of crazy right now, but when it dries, it looks a lot better. One mistake I did do is that after I blow dried it a little bit, I put the wrap thing around it, and it made it look kind of crunchy looking. I tried to turn on the light so you can see like how the color looks. It looks decent, but this color right here, I like it better. But anyway, this is me just playing around with it. I decided to keep blow drying it because it took a little minute to get right. But anyway, I'll just let you guys watch this part. Okay, so this is where I messed up at. I decided to put the lace band back on. I was kind of hesitant about it. The only reason I put it back on is because I wanted to do my makeup. And that's my makeup. This looks kind of harsh, but y'all know that I'm still trying with this makeup thing. Trying to work my way through it. But anyway, I like the way the lace melted. See, over there it's kind of crunchy. But I think once I put my scarf on at nighttime, and it's also kind of shiny a little bit. I don't know why it's shiny. But anyway, I like it. I like the hair. The hair is nice. I didn't really want to comb it out because I didn't want the poof look. I know some of y'all like to do the middle part. I don't look right with a middle part, but I just did it anyway. But later on in the video, I'm going to go back to the side part. You'll see. It's not going to look good at all. Why does it sound like I'm losing my voice? But anyway, yeah, that light is so harsh. That's why I took it off. Turned it off. But yeah, the hair is really cute. It's soft, it's bouncy. I think I put too much of that spray in the front because I can kind of see it a little bit. But I think once it gets old, and like I said, I put on my headscarf and sleep with it, it's going to go away. I'll do another video in the morning time so you can see what it looks like. But yeah, this is me changing it back to the side part. It's going to look a lot better. And you see how the baby hairs, to me, it looks more natural. Like, it doesn't scream, I'm wearing a lace wig. You know, to some people, when you see the baby hairs, you're like, oh yeah, it's a lace wig. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is the outfit I had on.